Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to add font to Photopea. Let's begin. See this, you added photo image or document, create a new layer and type text tool, wait 5 seconds and click anywhere, wait some moment. Okay, then type any text, double click, select text, resize, again double click and add font. Click the text drop down menu and select your text. See this, use text, added your favorite text font. Example, I use this black and sun. Wait few seconds. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.